Hello guys, I'm on the roof and this is a Karcher K5 Compact, and well, today I will just do cleaning on the roof, and I bought this one recently, so I want to review it for you if you can actually clean the roof with this one. See, it's quite a bit with some moss here and something like that, and the other side is even worse. I will just go there. So the other side of the roof looks like this one. As you can see, it's pretty nasty. This one is better one, pretty high here, and well, let's hope that this Karcher won't fall down there, or me. It's even worse. I got some little safety belt there too, here and there, because this is rather unexpected and I'm not used to work on roofs. So we'll see if the Karcher K5 Compact can clean this one before painting. As you can clearly see, there is a major difference here, so let's hope that this will work out with the rest of roof too. So here you can see this is where I worked and this is not, and here you can see how this will work. As you clearly see, this works pretty nice. So if you wonder if your K5 Compact can clean your roof from the old paint and moss and something, dust and whatever else, well, I would suggest you go for it. Not too expensive and works like a charm, at least right now. And then the hose is also a really nice, kind of lengthy one, and I only need to move it a little bit. It is a rather heavy one too. So, and here's some pressure for you guys. Let's watch out from the electricity, but overall that's alright. See, you can quite quickly clean all your old paint and everything else with it. And here you can see the side which I already cleaned it a bit, and there is a part behind there where I didn't get yet. And then you see I can actually hang it there, no problem at all. It moves a little bit but not too badly, and overall well, you can clearly see the difference. And this is how it looks without cleaning, after cleaning. And now you can paint this one with some primer probably together and something like that. But anyway, is this gun really good for this? Well, for the price is actually rather nice and fine, and the work you can do it rather quickly too. So guys, I've just finished work with this Karcher K5 Compact. It's actually really good that it's on wheels and not small, because I can take it on roof. And as you see, I've cleaned it from the moss and easy coming off the paint, and it's ready for painting. So I will just give you intel how it will look after it will be painted. And then, to be honest, really good so far. Haven't had any problems with this Karcher K5 Compact, and it has working really nice without any problems. Constantly pressure is always there, and then it works really nice. Here's the other side. All of you remember how it looked before. No, it looks pretty good for a paint job. So guys, after I worked with roof, look what happened. So I will try this nozzle and swirl Karcher K5 Compact and see if this will help. Oh, nice. As you see, not too much damage, so a little bit paint there and here, but overall cleans pretty well the dirt's away from your wall. Okay, a little bit something going on there. I don't know why it's not working that great as on the roof. Probably some dirt. We'll check it out. Guys, as you can see, I'm pretty much done with the first layer of the red paint on the roof, and to be honest, it looks pretty awesome compared to what it was before. All I did, I cleaned the roof with Karcher K5 Compact, and this is the result. And for all the roof I spent about 20 liters of the paint, so not sure if it's much or not. Thanks for watching.